Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry and calculus. The topic today that is about the distance from the point H to the light. So now I want to show you how to answer. I need to draw the diagram in here. Let's say the point A belongs to the light in here. And we have the point H. Because I can go to here or here. So we need to find the distance from H to the light. So let's say A belong to this line. So we have 8. That's it about S, Y, and Z. We know that S, Y, Z, that is about 80, 80, 50. So we put 80, 80, and 50. Now we need to find vector H8. That should be about 80 minus negative number 10. So we have positive number 10. 80 minus number 8. And 50 minus number 3. Now we need to find the magnitude of vector HA. So that should be like this. So we want to find the distance. That means the distance of HA should be about the shortest. So we need to consider about this function in here. F of t equals to this one. Now we need to expand everything in here, and that should be about like this. So we simplify and we have 153 t squared. The next one, that is about 2t. And the next one, that is about 173. Now we need to do first the derivative f of t. So this one we have 153 2t. This one we have number 1. This one you got number 0 because that is about the constant. So I will put this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one in here equals to number 0. And now we can find the value of t. That is about negative 1 over 153. Now we put this one, go back to this one in here. But this one should be under the square root. and we have the final answer in here. We have 13.153. This is the end. Thank you for watching.